finished up the bathroom's first coat of mud. I did that yesterday, and today I'm just doing a few touch-ups and trying to get that first coat done. While this cures, I've got a few other things I've got planned today, so stick around. It should be interesting.
Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel.
When I'm doing first coat, I'm really not too worried about getting it on super smooth. I just want to get coverage. I want to get that tape covered up and concealed and get any of the shrinkage filled in. And then once that's all ready, I'll do a light sand on it, just kind of get the bumps off, and then I'll come back with a nice finish coat. There's a few things I want to get done today. One of the first things I want to do is get this door installed. I think I can do that relatively quickly. Get that out of the way. Then I'll have a door I can close to hold the dust back whenever I start working on this room and sanding and finishing that up. I am really anxious to get these new bathrooms online because this bathroom that I got with the house, it's less than stellar. That's the truth. Ugh. Gross. On my way to the home store. I screwed up. I need a 30-inch door, and I bought a 32-inch door. So of course now I get to make a trip across town and exchange this door for one that will fit. It happens. What can you do? Well, that wasn't too painful. I just want to get this thing installed. That's the way it's supposed to fit. Okay. Let's get that shim and leveled. in place. I think I want to go ahead and get some trim on this. Get that ready there. I think I can trim it both sides. That shouldn't take but a few minutes. Get that wrapped. Making progress. There we go. That really didn't take very long at all. And that's done. And I still got a little day left. Now to finish out my day, I'm going to finish up my trims. I've got this window and I've got this ceiling. The remaining work I have to do is I need to get some white trims on these that I used in the dining room and the living room. I want those to match up. I also picked up some quarter round while I was at the store. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that up, and then these trims will be all ready to sand and prime. Quarter round, it can be kind of tricky, especially this stuff. This stuff is the new stuff I've got. I'll show you what I mean here. This stuff, I hadn't used it before. I usually just use the full quarter round, the traditional stuff. This stuff here does not have that corner, so it doesn't really sit perfectly tight into that corner up there, but you can get it to sit flat, but it's not quite as easy to work with as the true quarter round, but it is cheaper. So I thought I'd give it a try. I don't think it was too bad. It's not that much more difficult. You just got to be careful you get it positioned in the saw correctly. So that's the most tricky part about quarter round, is getting your cuts right. Well, I do think I'm going to call it a day at that point. It wasn't a very excessively productive day, but I got some stuff done. I pretty much got my trims done, except for that one piece I've still got to buy. So I can get these trims out of my way, maybe get this dining room cleared, and right here is my new paint for the dining room. I have selected a color, and I think I'm gonna come back into this room tomorrow and get some paint on the walls. Find out the color I finally went with. I think you'll be surprised. Maybe you won't, maybe you will. Subscribe, leave a like. I appreciate you watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Get some paint on these walls. Get this room done. Get this room done! Yes! That is what's happening tomorrow. I'm gonna finish this room.